Afternoon. This video documentation is in regards to the Acura TL base model headlights. I understand that your installer may mention that he had to transfer something over from the stock OEM headlights. However, I would just really like to best understand what may have been transferred over. I've spoken to the installer, and what he seems that he's indicating that he's transferred over would be the shutter connector or something sort of that nature. So I just want to take the time to document to get a clarification whether if what I'm pointing is indeed what's been transferred over. As if it is, I can work with our vendor or the manufacturer to gain a replacement part for this. But however, I'd like your confirmation if this is indeed what the installer has transferred over. So he mentioned something about the bi-xenon shutter, which is the low beam. The shutter mechanism wasn't working, so he had to transfer something over. He also mentioned something about a connector. I understand that this might be something that you might not be familiar with. However, at least I have the headlight sight out here to give you more of a representation of what I'm asking to confirm. So I believe that this is going to be the actual bi-xenon high beam connector. So this can be twisted to remove, as it is a socket type connector. So you can see wires, and then this is actually the wires been tied around, fastened to the inner headlights, and it leads down to a connector, which I'll point out with my marker to this connector inside. So if indeed your installer mentions that this connector to this wire, to this piece is what he actually transferred over from your stock, please confirm this with me so that I can work with my vendor or the manufacturer in regards for spare parts or replacement for this. Again, if he's mentioned that he transferred something else over, it'd be best if you can clarify, being the case that I highly doubt he transferred over the shutter mechanism or motor, being the case that there's not enough clearance for this. If that's the case, most likely the headlight has to be separated in order to change the servo or the shutter mechanism or the motor for this headlights. Please advise. Thank you so much for your time. This ends of the documentation. Thank you.